If you're in the beauty, wellness, or fitness industry, you've probably heard of Fresha, a booking platform that's completely free to use. But is free really as good as it sounds? Let's break down what Fresha offers, where it shines, and the trade-offs you should know before jumping in. Fresha is a fast-growing appointment booking and business management platform designed specifically for salons, spas, barbershops, wellness studios, and fitness businesses. It's known for having no monthly subscription fees, which sounds amazing, but there's more to the story. In this review, we'll cover features, pricing structure, pros and cons, so you can decide if it's right for your business. Fresha isn't just a booking calendar. It's an all-in-one system for managing your clients, services, and payments. Here's what you get. Online booking system, a customizable booking page, and app integration so clients can book 24/7. Client management, store client details, track appointment history, and record notes or preferences. Point of sale, POS, sell services, retail products, memberships, and packages directly through the platform. Inventory tracking, manage stock levels, set reorder alerts, and track supplier orders. Automated reminders and notifications. Reduce no-shows with email and SMS confirmations. Marketing tools, send targeted messages, run promotions, and offer vouchers or loyalty rewards. Multi-location support, manage multiple branches under one account. Mobile apps, for both staff and clients, making bookings and management easy on the go. Pricing and how free works. Here's where Fresha is different from most competitors. No monthly subscription fees. You can use all core features without paying a fixed cost. New client fee, 20% commission when a brand new customer books through Fresha's marketplace. Payment processing fee, around 2.9% plus a small flat fee per transaction for card payments. Optional add-ons. Premium features like advanced marketing campaigns may have additional costs. This model makes Fresha attractive for startups or solo operators. But if you're getting a lot of new clients via the Fresha marketplace, those 20% commissions can add up quickly. What users love. No monthly bills. Great for keeping overhead low. Feature-rich for free. Booking, POS, inventory, and client records are all included. Professional marketplace. Helps bring in new customers who are browsing services in your area. Mobile-friendly. Both clients and staff can manage bookings easily from their phones. Great for multi-location businesses. One account can manage all locations. Where it falls short. Commission fees can add up, especially if a large portion of your clients come from the Fresha marketplace. No full white label booking page. You can customize, but it will still carry Fresha branding. Limited customization for marketing. While the tools are solid, they're not as advanced as some premium competitors. Payment processor lock-in. You have to use Fresha payments for online payments. No option to integrate your own processor. Fresha is an excellent choice if you want a powerful, zero-subscription booking system that works great for beauty, wellness, and fitness businesses. It's especially appealing for new or growing businesses that want to keep fixed costs low. However, if you rely heavily on marketplace bookings, make sure to factor in the commission fees when calculating profitability. Fresha is the budget-friendly, feature-packed booking tool, but free comes with conditions. If this review helped you, hit like, tap subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Would you trade a commission fee for no monthly bill? See you in the next one.